If all the internet and computers and AI was shut down today, and we had a worldwide EMP, there's no technology for 2 weeks. You got to go sell things from a business down the road. Can you confidently, without any technology, go take a piece of paper and a pen, go to a local business, and write them a sales letter or an ad or something that generates them more revenue with just a pen and paper? If you cannot confidently do that for somebody, you don't know how to write copy and you're too reliant on AI. However, once you learn the foundations, you should definitely start using AI in your process, finding prospects, getting it to review your copy. So getting it to give you line by line feedback for your copy. Not just take my copy and rewrite it, not just write the copy for me. You write the first draft, you edit the first draft, then you give it to the AI to give you feedback, and you manually apply the feedback it says. This is how you're going to use it first. Now, if you already you're already making 10K a month, you've been doing this for 1 or 2 years. If you want to start your process by prompting AI and then you edit it, that's fine. But still be careful, right? You don't want to screw yourself over and like not actually know what you're learning, or else the guys who are making the most money with AI in the next 5-10 years as copywriters are guys who actually learn the foundations and then start using AI to leverage it. AI is not a skill in itself. It is leverage. It's a tool. It amplifies things. AI makes graphic design better. AI makes video better. AI makes sales better. AI makes customer service better. AI makes copywriting better, but AI is not in its inherently making things better by itself. It's a multiplier that you add on to a skill. If you play video games, it's like a buff. It is not the skill in itself. It's not the core skill of shanking and fighting like this and doing whatever you're doing. It's the buff that makes you better. Okay, so use it to give you line by line feedback. Use it to help help you research better, find stats. Use it to duplicate your copy. If you wrote an email, your client says, hey, we want to do some social media posts too. You're like, I don't know how to do this. Sure, take your copy you wrote, AI gave you feedback on, and then tell it to convert that to an Instagram post or a LinkedIn post or an ad, and still be careful with the way you're doing that. But those are just a few ways that I do it. Strategy, I use it for more higher level stuff for like marketing strategy. I use it as like a business partner and a strategist as well. That's something you can start getting into as well, but don't worry about that stuff for now. Yeah, just do all the other things I said by learning the copy skills, then getting the AI to review your copy,